Police gadgets you have never seen before. The police force isn't the same as it was when modern policing began. With the advent of modern technology, the civic law enforcement bodies of various countries have taken advantage of this fast rise by collaborating with big tech companies and startups to provide advanced crime-fighting solutions. These gadgets have gained popular use in crime fighting and prevention, but it's not every day you see the police in action, nor are most of these equipment publicly used enough to recognize them. Here are some of those gadgets we believe that you may have never seen before. Shot spotter technology. For the police, gunshots being fired in a location would forever be a call to action. Still, the process of identifying the exact location of the gunshots with traditional search methods remains ineffective sometimes, since the human senses cannot be trusted 100%. The shot spotter aims to fix this. According to the inventors, the shot spotter is a patented system of sensors, algorithms, and artificial intelligence intended to accurately detect, locate, and alert police to gunfire. The technology relies on sensors that are designed to work with software that filters out ambient background noise, such as traffic or wind, and listens for impulsive sounds peculiar to gunfire. These impulsive sounds are referred to as pulses. Once the shot spotter is sure the pulse it has detected is a gunfire, it sends an alert to the law enforcement. The detection to alert process takes about 60 seconds. This is definitely time-saving and life-saving. Ekin Microspotter. Traffic and other automobile-related offences remain some of the most common civil offences in the whole world. To try to keep up with fighting these, police around the world, especially in developed countries, now use technology like the Ekin Microspotter to their advantage. The Microspotter is a video-based number plate recognition technology, a 24/7 surveillance system that records not only the moment of violation but the entire traffic flow, as opposed to conventional photograph-based systems. It provides automatic number plate recognition for oncoming and outgoing vehicles and can be used to locate the plates of a stolen or missing car over a specific database. Skunk Riot Control System. The Skunk Riot Control System lives true to its name.
Well, what about unmanned drones that can spout enough pepper spray and paintballs to deter protesters?
It disperses paintballs or pepper balls to disperse rioters and prevent them from causing life-threatening situations. Essentially, it's a drone fitted with 4 high-capacity paintball dispensers that can release up to 20 paintballs per second each and 80 pepper balls per second. The Skunk has a capacity of 4,000 balls altogether, supported by its high-pressure carbon fibre air system. It's ideal for stopping massive-scale riots. It also has bright strobe lights, bright eye-safe lasers, and onboard speakers that enable communication and warnings to the crowd. The South African-based manufacturing company are quoted to be motivated by the need to reduce the escalation of riots and prevent avoidable fatalities altogether. The drone-catching drone. This betrayal in the ranks of drones has been around for a while. The first public use of drones to catch drones by a police unit happened in 2015 in the Japanese city Tokyo, when a special drone squad was commissioned to operate drones that'll neutralize other drones being flown in restricted areas. This effort came after a drone transporting a small quantity of radioactive material was dumped on the Prime Minister's office, and although no physical harm was caused, it presented the risk that could be associated with unregulated drone usage and the possibility of use in domestic terrorism. The drone-catching drones are a network of drones in synchronized flight, with nets attached to them capable of capturing and neutralizing drones used in violation of the existing drone laws. iRobot 510 Packbot. If the little name iRobot has given you great expectations for this one, you might want to dial it down a little. But that's not to mean that the Packbot doesn't exceed expectations in police use. As a matter of fact, it was originally designed as a military-grade robot by the former manufacturers iRobot. These multiple-use bots are suitable for use in various ways that can prevent or reduce human casualty, and it's no surprise that in 2014, the Brazilian police placed an order for 30 units to assist in the protection of the cities during the 2014 FIFA World Cup. The bot is fitted with a lot of enhancements that make it effective and usable in various situations of law enforcement. It even has a caterpillar track that makes it able to pass through mud, stairs, rocks, and other irregular surfaces. Seems like nothing can stop this one, except maybe a bigger bot. TRM 2.0 Tactical Drone Robot. The tactical drone robot is a reconnaissance gadget that has many applications. Although it's built like a mini-cart and moves on 2 wheels, the robot gets its name from being so durable that it can survive being thrown into a building without risk of damage. The tactical bot features a camera, microphone, and visible or infrared light illumination devices. It can also be fitted with accessories such as flashbangs or explosive devices, making it effective for remote assault when it's required. The bot is actively used in reconnaissance situations by the police in Poland, which isn't surprising considering its many functionalities. YTA Scout Bot. The Scout Bot is the brainchild of the students of a youth technology academy in the USA. It's meant to help keep people safe, especially in situations where bombs are involved. The battery-powered robot is roughly 12 inches tall, 18 inches long, and 6 inches wide. This makes it small enough to roll under cars for the inspection of their undercarriage, fishing out potential threats. It comes with its own camera and is operated remotely, giving police a good view of the situation so they can swing into action appropriately. It's the perfect replacement for humans in addressing bomb threats and truly has the potential of saving a lot of lives. The bowler wrap. Making an arrest is one of the most important functions of the law enforcement, but this can sometimes go wrong considering that humans can be unpredictable. To address the constraints of arrests made in close proximity with suspects, the bowler wrap allows arrests to be made from a distance. It seems like something out of Batman's fanny pack or Spider-Man's wrist, but it's really just a handheld device capable of accurately firing cables to restrain suspects. The wrap is meant to be an easy alternative to tasers or other items of violent arrests, making the job of law enforcement more respectful for the human dignity of suspects. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and will be coming back for more in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you next time.